Now tell him good when he drops it.
Good.
Say good boy. Now say get it.
Good.
Drop
it.
Now say good.
Good. Watch this go.
Okay. I'm watching. Whoa! That's a throw. Good throw, Big D. Yeah, now tell him good. Whoa! That's a big throw. There's a big throw. Now say good. Don't forget that. Say good, drop it. I am. Whoa. Where'd it go? Now say good. Tell him he's good.
Watch this one. Watch this one.
Uh-oh. You better go get it. Oh, it's just swapped over. It's okay.
Did you see that?
I did see that.
You have to watch it when it's moving. Drop it! Drop it! Mommy, hold on, so he's dropped it.
Tell him he's good, drop it.
Good drop it.
Good, drop it. Don't bring it to me, buddy. I'm not the one throwing it to you. Uh-oh. It's way back in there, isn't it? You got it?
That was Monkey's double.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Say yes or no? Yes?
He doesn't say yes or no, buddy. He doesn't know how. He's ready.
Right back here.
Yeah.
Drop it.
No, don't bring it to me. No. No, don't bring it to me. No. Take it to Davis. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Show Leon. How did Matty turn into a dog?
God made him a dog. I don't know how. Don't bring it to me. No, no, no. Bring it to Davis.
Bring it to me. I'm good. What's this? What's this? What's this?
Did you get it?
You got it. You got it when it's over there.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
He is a good boy. Good boy.
And he listens to rules.
He does. What does he do again? What did you just say?
He listens
Yes, he does.
Drop it.
Good. Good, drop it.
I see this. I just throw it.
Whoa!
Drop it. That's the throw. I need this.
Oh no!
What do you call it? Drop it. Drop it. It's the throw.
Oh no!